lavender. Oh, okay. What's going on, everyone? I don't even want to say. Well, yeah, well, I'm not gonna say what we're getting right now. Right now, we're gonna put some wheels on the car to use for the car I'm getting that I don't want to state until I get it. I was using those wheels and those cars just for now, you know. But I found some OEM wheels. Shout out to Brock. That shit ball as hell, but you know, Vegas to Cali should make it. Car got no camber. Got no worry about tire thread. Put 3 wheels in 1 seat because my girlfriend's coming, Freddie's coming, and I got the 2 other wheels in the back. Fuck yeah, let's go. We got Mr. Freddie. He's awake. You got that? Damn. Sound ass food.
But I don't have energy for it.
3 hours, 40 minutes. Take a right eye right there. We haven't even revealed the car and shit. Big ballin'. We're out here in the middle of the desert. About to go to the casino instead. Fuck the car. Honestly, I'm excited. But then, that car has a lot of work, but you know, it takes time.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Yeah. It's okay. I mean, the car looks good. It doesn't look bad.
Yeah, it's good. It's just needs some body work.
Yeah, it needs some body work. It needs some body kit. And some wheels.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it. And bags, imagine. Nah, just
Ew.
kidding. Static for life.
You scared of vlogging? Give me the camera.
Here, turn the seats. You're like, bro, what is that?
This is it. A little sore. Black interior. You think it's a good purchase?
I don't speak English here.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
How do you feel, bro? That
I feel pretty good. Sad, actually.
sad. All that money for gambling now.
Yep. All on black. Excited ass food.
Excited as to.
Alright,
Are we gonna go somewhere though?
Babe.
I'll drive you for
I know where we're going. Let's go to Walmart and put oil.
Oil.
And go get gas.
What's going on, guys? We're back home.
I don't know if the lighting sucks here, it kind of does. But anyways, our camera died. We actually got the car, and here it is, the SC300 Lexus. We've recently just changed the wheels because I didn't like the iodines. The iodines were too, the iodines were just ugly as hell, in my opinion. I'm sorry if anyone else likes iodines. But anyways, the car is in great condition. It has a couple dents, not that hard to fix. You could probably pop that up and Bondo it. But here she is. Just need to wrap it. Well, I'm gonna have to sand it first, wrap it, and then all that sort of stuff. But other than that, the car is really mint. There's nothing wrong with it. Here's the interior. Everything is literally like clean because I literally just recently cleaned it. Put some floor mats. Shout out to Freddie. Using Freddie's floor mats because he's not gonna use that anytime soon. The car, stage 2 clutch. Has a nice cluster. Everything works. Literally everything works. Hazards, except the only thing that doesn't work is the AC, which is, mostly all old cars don't have AC. I could just put it on, but also the car's 1JZ swap, so that's probably why it does not have AC. I just need to slap it on, but it's not that hard. Anyways, the car is literally mint. Look at it. Interior is mint as hell. Headliner is literally in one piece. Literally so clean too. It's not even messed up. Well, got a couple holes right here. Not that bad. I'm gonna pop the hood. One JZ has a big turbo. I think it's a Precision 6262, and it has a Cusco strut bar. Everything is so mint. I don't think it's leaking anywhere. Yeah, it's not leaking anywhere. Maybe the fuel, I just need to tighten that fuel. Oh, actually the power steering is leaking. But other than that, everything is good. Power steering for these cars or for these engines, I heard it goes bad. Correct me if I'm wrong. I need to wash this engine bay because it is so dusty. I have a lot of plans for it, and those wheels aren't staying, those wheels aren't staying, that front lip isn't staying. The whole car is gonna be transformed. All right, guys, so that's pretty much all I could say or tell you guys about the car. Everything, I've pretty much gone over what the car has and everything that it has. But stay tuned. I had a crazy build before this, as you can see right here. And I hope you guys like my next build. It's gonna be a crazy one for sure. So stay tuned.